Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Darshil, he is not very innocent. He parties when this किसी को पता नहीं चल रहा है. I have glasses, no? मेरा तो fog हो जाता है, dude.
Oh, it's that funny.
It's so funny.
Glasses.
It's so.
And she's wearing a mask and a shield, huh? It looks like she's in Antarctica. Some freezer से बाहर निकली ना. It looks like that. It's too funny.
In a serious scene, I wouldn't laugh. If there's really something funny.
Seriously,
I laughed when Darshil you dropped. So kulcha had to drop once only. This guy runs and ये गिरता है कुलचा and वापस मेरे पास आके वापस गिरता है कुलचा. So now I have to laugh. Something like that happens, then that's the scene. That's when Anushka Singh can't improve.
Hey, listen, this meeting is no longer has a time limit. Acha, okay. I got a message. I was like, मेरे को निकाल रहे Zoom से. Anushka's damn choosy, as an eater. He's damn choosy. She'll be like, हाँ अच्छा है करके she'll eat इतना. Okay. What like, bro? She's a big and very slyly she'll go and put her plate side पे, and then people will ask, ये plate है किसका? And Anushka's missing.
It's I have to say it now. Darshil, yeah.
She doesn't get irritated. That's the question. Like, वो irritated होते क्यों नहीं? हाँ.
I'm a good person, that's why. I don't get irritated. I appreciate the efforts.
सारा गुस्सा अंदर रखते हैं ऐसे लोग. सबसे डेंजरस होते हैं ये लोग. बच के रहो.
Sandwiches.
हाँ बस.
You're doing.
Keep quiet. हाँ.
Who is most likely to, for the both of you? I'm going to give you like questions. You have to tell me who is most likely to do that thing out of the two of you. First is who is most likely to be extra dramatic?
Anushka Sen.
Okay, me. Probably.
Okay, who is most likely to always be late?
Anushka Sen.
Darshil Safari.
Listen, whatever questions you have, the answer is Anushka Sen. We are done.
You have to
Who's
hear
the
this.
better co-actor? So it's me again. Thank you.
Who is most likely to cancel plans last minute?
Anushka Sen in capital.
Darshil Safari for sure. For sure. December.
Listen, you don't have to say all this. Keep quiet.
I think we have an answer. Okay. Who is most likely to do random and weird things in public? Like, like Mekan.
Both. I'm telling you, both. More him.
Okay, maybe me. Okay.
Who is most likely to be a shopaholic and blow their money on a very impulse buy?
I don't need to answer this. God knows this answer. Okay.
Simran,
God knows
you. That's you. Not even me. That's you.
God knows the answer. I don't need to say anything.
Even I don't.
Okay, the next one is who is most likely to have more sneakers? Because I know Anushka has a lot.
I don't even have one.
You're lying, yaar.
Hey, listen, this meeting is no longer has a time limit. Acha, okay. I got a message. I was like, मेरे को निकाल रहे Zoom से.
Yeah, so Darshil is saying he doesn't even have one. And I wonder why. Aren't you like a head and all of that? Because I see guys.
That is too much. You said you don't have one. एक भी नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. That is like a sarcasm.
Bro, 1-2 pairs होंगे, but we all know किसके क्या है.
Okay, who is most likely to sleep through a flight?
Darshil Safari. Always. Can I please explain this? Please, Darshil, don't interrupt me, okay? He sleeps like I don't know how. It's like plain Oda and he's like ऐसे करके he'll sleep so quickly. And the entire 2-hour flight and he wakes up, he's like in another dimension or something. He's like, bro, where I am? It's like that. He sleeps so quickly. Not only flights. जब हमारा जो location था, it was 2 hours from our hotel. See? Entire 2 hours he's sleeping. No, sometimes we play Audive also. But then after Audive, we would just sleep.
Yeah.
Just sleep. And ऐसे मतलब पूरा ऐसे करके he'll sleep. How? That's my question, Darshil. One more question, co-actor question. How?
Listen, don't ask me personal questions on public interviews.
Who is more likely to eat a lot of junk?
Darshil Safari. Darshil.
Because
God knows
we
his answer.
a house party
Darshil.
and I saw a lot of like food, and also you can tell me.
Darshil, it's you. Sandwiches.
Bas.
You're
no
doing.
one's details. Keep quiet.
I'm a detailed person. I like details.
Very good. Keep it in yourself.
Okay, who is most likely to travel for the rest of their life?
I think both
It's
of us,
both.
right?
Both of us, yeah. Both.
Yeah.
Both of us.
Okay. Who is most likely to party till the morning?
Darshil Safari.
Anushka Sen, hands down. This is a joke. Anushka Sen, have some shame. God is also there. Sab hai. You just turned 18. Why? मैंने life में कोई party में देखा है आपने मुझे. So it's
So you don't
who
come to
party
those
till the
parties,
next,
but you
not
go-
just the next morning. You'll party the next morning, full day again, then night, and then next morning. Like इतना party करें.
अच्छा. So if you know this कि मैं इतना party करती, you have been with me. So then
No, it's about getting the updates. Like I'll see your story, I'll be like, अच्छा, okay, party चालू है. Then I get a call from my friend Prabjot or someone.
okay.
Say, bro, ये सब चल रहा है.
So I'll explain. So I go to those
No.
parties which people know about. सब दिखता है कि है ना Anushka has gone to this party and Simran, you know how much I party. I do party. I love partying. But Darshil, he is not very innocent. He parties
This is a
when
lie.
this किसी को पता नहीं चल रहा है. Shanti
This is
से
a lie.
just his friends know, and I am
Judge साहब.
good friends with his best friends.
Judge
है ना?
साहब.
So
Sources. Right. Okay. Who is most likely to spend their entire night watching Netflix?
me.
Anushka,
But
And
Darshil,
you-
no, not even you.
keep quiet. I'll watch movies. I won't be on
You will
Netflix
watch
all the time.
movies. So
Yeah,
Netflix में
पे
movie
भी,
होता है ना बाबा.
Okay, it's on the mood. But you will be compulsorily watching Netflix. So वो क्या देखा था? How much something, some क्या movie था? Something you were talking about non-stop. भूल गया.
Money Heist. अच्छा no.
Something. कुछ तो you were talking about कि अरे this movie is the best. This movie is the best. करके पता नहीं.
I think.
Which movie is this? अच्छा by the way lockdown में मेरे को जितना भी suggestions मिला है इससे ही मिला है. So all the time I've given to Netflix, all the time I've given to movies.
That Darshil gives you like good suggestions to
Very
watch
good
things on
suggestion. Good taste in movies, good taste in music.
Okay, we just have a few more. Who is most
Nice.
likely to take more time to get ready?
Darshil.
God will answer this. I will not say anything.
God
जो
will answer.
लोग
You
ये
answer.
जिसने भी अनुष्का के साथ काम किया है they know कि कौन कितना टाइम लेता है रेडी होने में. Okay, so मेरा nap हो गया. I'm not joking. On the set of Pianal, I passed out. I slept. Okay.
Why?
I spent 3
Because
hours
I-
ready. And
Right.
God knew the answer of
That's why.
how much time would it get ready. And yeah.
You know what
Okay.
happens? Used to happen is you have to pack up. Darshil was like, "You eat, फिर हम let's play." This guy passes out after eating. So that is also there. Darshil.
Listen, these details don't have to come out. We are not chit chatting as normally. ये है ना लोग देखने वाले हैं. And यार, I
But you're
don't know,
good
man.
at passing out to do.
What do you mean good at passing out?
You're like quick. You're like.
ठीक है. Okay, moving on.
Moving on.
Who is most likely to laugh at the wrong moment? I think the both of you.
Both of us. Darshil, both of us. Both.
But थोड़ा ज़्यादा I think.
God, Simran, you're supposed to support me.
Well done. Well done.
I think
Well
that she
done.
like अभी नहीं हंसते, like we'll laugh later. Anushka is like अरे हंसो.
Well done.
I think so.
See, all know me. That's the issue.
Issue.
Okay. One is who is most likely to forget lines, or in your case like scenes, markings and all of that. Like just forget or like do their own things.
Neither.
See, I'll be honest, we are very technically sharp actors.
Yeah.
So I don't think there'll be something like that happening. Although I'd like to say that Anushka का कभी-कभी बहुत होता है. So
God, you're listening now? Yeah, she said yes.
don't mimic me.
Next time, don't tell me what to do. Not to
नहीं,
do
यार,
it.
honestly, I think the thing is that आजकल इतना ज़्यादा होता नहीं है. Simran,
हाँ.
the thing is that I don't think people are forgetting lines anymore. It's more about catching the feel and getting the character right
Yeah.
and all. And like I told you, that Anushka is really quick at that. Yaar. Honestly, she did it really fast. I was kind of surprised also a lot of times. So it's more there, and there is of course, it depends on how you've approached it and how you've been communicated, and बहुत सारी चीजें involved होती है. And if all this is done even like on a normal basis, अगर एक normal communication किया जा रहा है, so I think it won't be that difficult in catching these things. Lines
Right.
वगैरह, some tweaks here and there are fine.
हाँ.
So, yeah.
This question has to be, who is more likely to forget wearing a mask or like putting sanitizer and all of that?
Darshi. No, I don't think so, but you're always very careful with. I don't remember you forgetting your mask.
It's not like
She's like
literal.
Not literal. Might be to
whoever
Darshi.
जिसका भी नाम आया should get one tapli on the head because it's very important to wear the mask. I forget my mask sometimes. I forget. ऐसे because what happens is now that wearing the mask now makes me really claustrophobic. मुझे ना and दो तीन चीजें होती है. The air keeps getting stuck and this and that. I don't enjoy that much. I'm not very comfortable. So मैं
Even
ऐसे
me, I have glasses, no? मेरा तो fog हो जाता है, dude.
Oh, it's that funny.
It's
To
so
see Anushka's
funny.
glasses.
It's so.
When she's wearing a mask and a shield, it looks like she's in Antarctica, some freezer se bahar nikli, it looks like that. It's too funny. And so, yeah, I mean, honestly, it's damn stupid of not wearing it. I know people, my mom, everyone tells me that she'll mask pehn le wapas. It's here most of the times. I wear it back. I'm taking a keen attempt to improve at this, and I think everyone should, including
Yeah.
you, Anu.
Correct.
Okay. Next is, what is your co-star most likely to order for lunch?
Sandwiches, pancakes, hot chocolate, and Chandigarh food. Sandwiches, a lot of that. It's like, I think we have had the same menu breakfast mein, but then Darshil sandwiches, he's just sandwiches.
Because
What
that's
a
easy
joy.
to right and फटाफट आ जाता है.
But how? Only sandwiches.
Yeah, I mean,
I think
see, grilled and there's some cheese. And,
Like Raju sandwich has not gone out of his head as yet.
yeah, true.
Yeah.
है ना?
See, quick answer because I knew this. Wow. I
Yeah,
want
but
this
wait, hold
round.
on. I don't know what will you eat. Hey, listen, guys, you know one thing, that Anushka is damn choosy as an eater. He's damn choosy. She'll be like, हाँ अच्छा है करके she'll eat इतना. Okay. What, like, bro, she's a big, and very slyly she'll go and put her plate side pe, and then people will ask, ये plate है किसका? And Anushka's missing. तो वैसे बहुत होता है चक्कर. So the scene is के उसका, like, she's damn choosy. तो मुझे actually she's now, I know she's one of those people ना जो if you tell her ना ये चुपचाप खा ले, she'll eat it. And I know she likes pancakes. मुझे उतना पता है.
Yeah.
Like, she enjoys pancakes and she likes hot chocolate. I don't know utna, but yeah, she enjoys pancakes. Yeah. So, do you want to reveal on this very show as to what your favorite dish is?
Okay.
Her favorite.
Pizza. I love pizza.
Pizza.
Okay.
Of course.
Who is most likely to laugh in the middle of a serious scene?
Anushka Sen. won't laugh. Let me complete. She won't laugh. I will laugh.
Whoa.
I think Anushka wins the title of laughing in the middle of a serious
No,
scene.
she won't. Honestly, she won't. It's very difficult to
Yeah.
make her laugh when it's in front of camera. I tried my best, and in fact, thoda मैंने personally ले लिया था. So I was trying like really my best. So little bit this ऐसे एक बार हुआ था, but she controlled really well. Actually, I'm surrounded by people like this. Even my mother, and my sister, they'll just control यार. कैसे वो लोग control कर लेते हैं उतना हंसना पता नहीं है.
In a serious scene, I wouldn't laugh. If there's really something funny,
serious
I
scene हो या
laughed when
funny scene
Darshil
हो.
you dropped. You remember you dropped the क्या था वो कुलचा था ना? So कुलचा he had to drop once only. This guy runs and ये गिरता है कुलचा and वापस मेरे पास आके वापस गिरता है कुलचा. So now I have to laugh. When something like that happens, then that's the scene. That's when Anushka Singh can't control.
No, I remember you laughed when that rocket flew on me and some nonsense happened. It
Rocket
fell
flew
on the
on me.
DOP.
That's the they
That
took the
fell on
scene.
you?
That is.
At the second time, it fell on the DOP.
I remember वो rocket ना first shot में it was not supposed to be like that. जो उन्होंने रखा है ना it was not supposed to be like that. और दर्शी ने इतना superb plane बनाया है. मतलब the best paper plane किसी ने दुनिया में बनाया होगा.
This is the Sarasat Zoo. Okay, I made that
बना
in
के मेरे
pressure.
सर पे गिरा
I made
first.
that in pressure. मुझे
Then
उसमें
second?
बहुत
Second DOP पे गया सीधा. It was like insane. But fortunately scene में मुझे हंसना ही था. I had to laugh. He was the one who was not supposed to laugh that much and he didn't. He also controlled. She controlled. You laughed
Yeah, I mean,
later.
once
I
I'm
laughed
there, I
later
can.
on. I had tears in my eyes. Almost. इतना हंस रही थी मैं. Hilarious.
Okay, and my last question is, who is most likely to leave everything and go missing one day?
Darshil Safari, for sure. That's Darshil. That's Darshil for you. Darshilia. He's gonna go missing.
Okay, you are calling him some other name. Tell me, like, did you get...
No, there's nothing.
It's I have to say it now. Darshilia. So
Are you going
now,
But
don't tell-
Darshil, do you call her Anushka only, or do you also have some sort of like...
There are a lot of
name?
names. You know, there is Anushka, there is Senu Pashika.
I don't know what
there
that is.
Yeah, so there are a lot of names that I call her. Paji, this,
Paji.
that. Like, मुझे पता नहीं, मुझे बस आदत है to irritate.
हाँ,
Like, I want to
this
do something
happened,
that will irritate her.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's still looking for
So-
something which will irritate me to the like end of the world. Something like that. Like
But irritate
I
होती नहीं है.
remember
She doesn't get irritated. That's the question. Like, वो irritate होते क्यों नहीं? हाँ,
I'm a good person, that's why. I don't get irritated. I appreciate the efforts.
सारा गुस्सा अंदर रखते हैं. ऐसे लोग सबसे dangerous होते हैं ये लोग. बच के रहो.
Huh? So even see one is Darsilia, okay? One is Darsil. Like it's it's not double EL, it's IL. There's a lot of this. That's why I know it's like that. Darsil, I also have a lot of. But my favorite is
Don't
Darsilia
ask me
because
to
there's a song also like oh Philia. It's like that. So that yeah comes mother is fun.
Very funny.
I know,
amazing.
thanks.
Guys, for doing this.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.